Welcome to this complete Calpe, Spain guide. Nestled between Alicante and Valencia, Calpe beckons with its azure coastline and sun-drenched charm. We're about to embark on a grand adventure featuring 13 unforgettable experiences. From scaling the towering Peñón de Ifach to savouring the local cuisine at seaside eateries, Calpe is a treasure trove of delights waiting to be discovered. So grab your sun hat, pack your sense of adventure and prepare to be captivated by this Mediterranean gem. So let's dive into the first activity, shall we? First on our list is a climb up the Peñón de Ifach. This colossal limestone outcrop, jutting out into the Mediterranean Sea, is a sight to behold. It's not just its impressive size that makes it a must-visit, but also the breathtaking panoramic views from the top. As you ascend, you'll be surrounded by a unique blend of flora and fauna, making the climb a delightful rendezvous with nature. Oh, and here's a light-hearted joke for you. Why don't mountains get lost? Because they peak. I promise the climb, though challenging, is less daunting than that pun. The Peñón de Ifach is more than just a geographical feature. It's a symbol of Calpe, a testament to the town's enduring charm. It's a challenge, an adventure, and a reward all rolled into one. Once you've conquered the Peñón de Ifach, it's time to head back down and explore the charming Old Town. Next, we're taking a stroll through the Old Town, or Casco Antiguo. This charming district is a delightful maze of narrow, winding streets, each one brimming with history and character. It's like stepping back in time, as you'll see from the traditional whitewashed houses adorned with vibrant flowers and Spanish tiles. What makes the Old Town special is its unique blend of old and new. Here, centuries-old architecture sits shoulder to shoulder with contemporary art galleries and chic boutiques, a testament to Calpe's evolving identity. Among the many attractions, you'll find the ancient Torreón de la Peca, a tower that once protected the town from pirate attacks. There's also the Museum of Archaeology, showcasing fascinating relics from Calpe's past. Don't forget to stop by the Plaza de la Villa, a lively square filled with cafes, where you can enjoy a cup of traditional Spanish coffee. After you've soaked up the history, it's time to soak up the sun at Playa de la Fossa. Now, who's ready for some beach time at Playa de la Fossa? Picture a place where the sun always shines, painting the sky in hues of gold. That's Playa de la Fossa for you, a stunning beach nestled in the heart of Calpe. It's not just about the warm, golden sand beneath your toes or the crystal-clear Mediterranean waters that invite you for a refreshing dip. The beach is fully equipped with amenities from beach bars to sun lounges, making it the perfect place to unwind. You could read a good book, build an epic sandcastle, or simply soak up some Spanish sun. Fancy a bit of adventure? Why not try your hand at some water sports? And remember, there's no rush here. As the saying goes, time doesn't move hour to hour, but mood to moment. A little beach humour for you there. After a relaxing beach day, it's time to explore the Las Salinas Salt Flats. Our next stop is the Las Salinas Salt Flats, a truly unique attraction. Imagine a landscape where the earth meets the sky, where the land is so flat it's as if you've stepped into another world. That's the magic of Las Salinas. These salt flats are no recent marvel, but a testament to time, with a history dating back over 2,000 years. Once a source of wealth during Roman times, they're now a protected natural park, home to a variety of wildlife. What makes Las Salinas worth visiting, you ask? Well, it's not every day you see flamingos in Spain. Yes, these pink birds are frequent visitors, adding a splash of colour to the salt-white landscape. So, whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or just a curious traveller, Las Salinas offers a little something for everyone. From the salt flats, we're off to explore the Baños de la Reina ruins. Ready to step back in time? Next, we're visiting the Baños de la Reina ruins. These ruins, aptly named the Queen's Baths, are a testament to the ancient Roman presence in Calpe. As you wander through the site, you can almost imagine the Romans going about their daily rituals, relaxing in these stone baths that were once filled with seawater. The area was thought to be a fish farm as well, with the Romans showcasing their ingenious aquaculture techniques. The Baños de la Reina ruins offer a unique glimpse into the past, allowing you to walk in the footsteps of the Romans. Despite their historical significance, the ruins remain a hidden gem, often overlooked by tourists. So if you're a history buff or just someone who appreciates the stories of the past, this site is a must-visit. After the ruins, it's time to stroll along the Arenal-Bol beach. Next, we're taking a stroll along the beautiful Arenal-Bol beach. Picture the sun warming your skin, the cool breeze tousling your hair, and the soft sand gliding through your toes. This is Arenal-Bol beach, a golden stretch of paradise that stretches over 2 kilometers. Outlined by a vibrant promenade, the beach is a lively hub of activity. Here you'll find a multitude of beach bars, or chiringuitos, where you can pause for a refreshing drink or a bite to eat. The beach is also a popular spot for water sports, with opportunities to try your hand at paddleboarding or kayaking. For those seeking a more leisurely experience, the beach is lined with sun loungers, perfect for soaking up the Spanish sun or diving into a good book. The clear, shallow waters make it a safe and inviting spot for a refreshing swim. After the beach, it's time to visit the Calpe fish market. Now let's immerse ourselves in the local culture at the Calpe fish market. A bustling hub of activity, this market is a veritable feast for the senses. As you enter, the air is filled with the scent of the sea and the sound of animated chatter. Here, local fishermen sell their daily catch, offering a wide array of seafood. From shiny anchovies to sizable octopuses, the variety is simply staggering. This is not just a market, it's a testament to Calpe's rich fishing tradition. As you walk around, you can witness the camaraderie among the vendors, their shared passion for the sea, and their deep respect for their trade. It's a humbling experience, one that brings you closer to the heart of this coastal town. Visiting the market also offers a unique opportunity. You can buy fish of your choice and have it cooked right there. Imagine enjoying fresh seafood while absorbing the vibrant market atmosphere. After the market, we're off to explore the Museo del Collezionismo. Next, we're visiting the intriguing Museo del Collezionismo. This unique museum is a treasure trove for collectors and enthusiasts alike, as it houses a vast array of collections ranging from vintage cameras to antique toys. It's like stepping into a time capsule of bygone eras. The Museo del Collezionismo is a testament to the passion of collectors and the stories behind their collections. Every piece on display is a window into a different time and place, a silent narrative of human history and creativity. The museum is not just a place for collectors, but also a haven for those who appreciate the beauty and significance of everyday objects. Each exhibit is carefully curated and presented with detailed descriptions that provide historical and cultural context. This enriches the visitor's understanding and appreciation of the collections. So, whether you're a collector, a history buff, or just someone with a keen interest in the stories that objects can tell, the Museo del Collezionismo is a must-visit. After the museum, it's time to walk along the Paseo Ecológico Príncipe de Asturias. Next, we're taking a leisurely walk along the Paseo Ecológico Príncipe de Asturias. This delightful promenade offers an idyllic blend of natural beauty and serene vistas. As we meander along, we're surrounded by the vibrant hues of local flora, a testament to the region's rich biodiversity. Listen to the rhythm of the waves as they gently lap against the shore, a soothing soundtrack to our stroll. Sculptures dot the landscape, each telling a unique story and adding an artistic flair to our journey. This path, my friends, is more than just a walkway. It's a testament to Calpe's commitment to preserving its natural charm, while offering visitors a tranquil space to unwind. As we near the end of our stroll, we're greeted by the sight of the majestic Peñón de Ifach looming in the distance. It's a stark reminder of the diverse landscapes that Calpe boasts. After our walk, we're off to visit the Nuestra Señora de las Nieves church. Now it's time to visit the beautiful Nuestra Señora de las Nieves church. Nestled within the heart of Calpe, this church stands as a testament to the rich history and deep-rooted traditions of the town. Its name translates to Our Lady of the Snows, a fitting title for a place that exudes such a serene and tranquil aura. Constructed in the late 17th century, the church boasts a blend of Baroque and neoclassical architectural styles, offering visitors a glimpse into the artistic sensibilities of the time. The church's interior is as mesmerizing as its exterior, with its ornate altar and intricate frescoes that tell tales of faith and devotion. The Nuestra Señora de las Nieves church isn't just a place of worship, but a beacon of cultural heritage that has withstood the test of time. It's a quiet sanctuary away from the bustling streets, making it a worthwhile visit for those seeking a moment of peace and reflection. After the church, it's time to take a boat trip to nearby coves. Ready for some adventure? Next, we're taking a boat trip to nearby coves. Picture this, a gentle breeze playing with your hair as the boat slices through the sparkling Mediterranean waters. The coves around Calpe are a hidden gem, each with their unique charm and beauty. As we embark on this journey, we're greeted by the sight of the rugged coastline, intermittently adorned by secluded sandy beaches. These coves, carved by Mother Nature herself, are a sight to behold. The tranquility here is almost tangible, only interrupted by the melodic song of the sea. Don't be surprised if you spot playful dolphins leaping in and out of the water, their silhouettes against the setting sun creating a magical spectacle. And don't forget the snorkeling. You can plunge into the crystal clear waters for a rendezvous with the vibrant marine life. This boat trip isn't just a journey, it's an experience, a memory that will linger long after you've left Calpe. After our boat trip, it's time to enjoy the local cuisine at seaside restaurants. Last but certainly not least, it's time to enjoy the local cuisine at seaside restaurants. Calpe's culinary scene is a delightful blend of traditional and avant-garde, where locally sourced ingredients meet creative cooking techniques. As you'd expect from a coastal town, seafood is the star of the show. Feast on arroz a banda, a saffron-infused rice dish cooked with fresh fish, or gambas de denia, a delectable prawn specialty. For those who prefer turf over surf, fear not. Calpe offers hearty mountain cuisine as well. Try the conejo al ajillo, a garlic rabbit dish that is as tender as it is flavorful. And let's not forget the tapas, small plates of joy that are perfect for sharing. The best place to savor these dishes? Seaside restaurants, of course. With the Mediterranean Sea as your backdrop, every bite will be a feast for the senses. And there you have it, 13 must-do things in Calpe, Spain. We hope you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful for your visit. Let's quickly recap the 13 things to do in Calpe. You can conquer the Peñón de Ifach, wander through the old town, unwind at Playa de la Fossa, and discover the Las Salinas salt flats. Don't forget to explore the Baños de la Reina ruins, stroll along Arenal-Bol beach, and visit the Calpe fish market. The Museo del Coleccionismo, Paseo Ecológico Príncipe de Asturias, and Nuestra Señora de las Nieves church await your discovery. Lastly, take a boat trip to nearby coves and enjoy the local cuisine at seaside restaurants. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Calpe, Spain. We hope you have an unforgettable trip.